welcome back to the YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Nadia, and today, in a beautiful sunny day, we're gonna show you a one-bedroom apartment that has a nice communal pool, as you can see just right behind me, but it's so close to the beach of La Mata, the one that we love and enjoy a lot and recommend in this channel. But now let's get a little bit more about the area. So we are in La Mata, we have the park, the beach, and all of the needed services right here in walking distance. And this apartment is offered to you by 165,000 euros. Now let's get to see it closer. We have this nice and sunny terrace, and this apartment is oriented to the south. So apart from these nice views to the communal areas of the garden and the pool, we're gonna enjoy from this terrace the sun all day long. So for me, this is one very important and one of the best things that we can have in Spain, a sunny apartment to enjoy the weather. But now let's get to see the property from inside. So this is our living area. We have the nice and new furniture here. We have air conditioner and the fan. And here we have the American style kitchen. This kitchen is so well kept. They kept the original furniture here, but they did change the appliances and the stove and all of this here. So it's a really well kept property, but still keeps some original features and style. Now here is our original entrance, but I want to show you now here is the bathroom. As you can see, again, very well maintained, and it has a window and it's a bathroom with a shower plate, so everything in it. Okay, and now let's get to show you the bedroom. It's just a very nicely designed property, and by the way, it's sold as you see it. So all of the furniture and the new mattress, everything is staying. And look, in this part of the bedroom, we do have a big two wardrobes for the bedroom. Now let's get back to the nice and sunny terrace. So to wrap up about this apartment, I want to show you a couple of details that the sellers did very kindly to this property, because they own it for a long time and they changed, for example, all of these blinds. They are all new and aluminum, but they do mimic the original wood that it was used there. And also here we have nice windows, so if there's any noise or you want to use the conditioner, you can close them. And I like that they are very nicely hidden into the wall. But let's get back here and look at the nice communal areas. We are right now in one of the best communities that we have in La Mata. They have amazing pool, which is always nicely maintained. And you also have some views to the natural park of La Mata from here, which I think is amazing. So you can see it, have your bottle or glass of wine and enjoy this view from your own apartment. In this area, why we love it so much and why we recommend it for people who love Spain or want to invest in this country is because it's a quiet place but still offers you so many options. You can have a quality life, you have many activities to do here, and also, of course, you can enjoy the Mediterranean Sea and the salty lakes, and all of that is right here in a close distance from this apartment. If you have any more questions, you will always have my contacts right there in the screen, so you can contact me and get more information about this or any other apartment that we have online. If you like the video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you, bye!